go, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
I was only able to get 10 minutes in, but that's exactly what I needed to get a good sweat in before this one started fussing. Say good morning, Scarlett. You say good morning?
Good morning.
Getting your workout in?
Yeah.
Get it, girl. I see your abs already.
No, I want to. You get all fine.
Sissy, you getting your workout in too? Get it, girls.
Oh, this is the last time.
Okay, you're gonna play good together
Yeah, we can do it.
and share.
Yeah, we're going to
They're in Skylar's closet playing right now. I'm gonna go get ready for the day and kind of freshen up, and then we're gonna go. I love you.
We love you guys.
We love you guys. We all just got ready. I still have to do Skylar's hair and brush her teeth, and then we're gonna head out. I want to go to Once Upon a Child because Scarlett needs some tights or leggings. All of hers are like getting really tight on her, so we're gonna do that. She's getting to be a big girl, huh? Are you a big girl? Yeah. I still have to button this. But how cute. He's so cute. This was Skylar's outfit. Gonna brush her teeth.
Hey, well, wash your
Okay, maybe some toothpaste on. We're gonna have a good day today.
Yeah.
You're gonna be in a good mood.
Yeah.
Yeah. Skylar woke up at 4:30 this morning.
Now, 'cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind?
Okay, we are off. Daisy's with us. She has really bad anxiety, so we just take her with us because she just doesn't do good at the house by herself.
Jack, someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go?
No. Good girl.
I get her.
You want to give it to her?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
I go.
You might have to hold it.
No.
Say good girl.
Go.
You want yours? Oh!
Oh, they bigger.
You want your cake pop?
Oh, there you go.
You're welcome. Can you reach it? Ugh.
Here. Pink was so cutie.
Cutie.
Yeah.
You're a cutie. So I just got my 2 shots of espresso and I'm gonna put my Atkins shake in it. So I haven't ate anything today. I'm so excited. We're supposed to get our, I don't think I've told you guys this, but we're making our kitchen table and we're supposed to get the legs today. We did hairpin legs. So I'm really excited. I did the staining last night. Look how pretty. Did the staining to the table last night, so I'm excited to get the legs today. I think I should be able to put them on, or maybe I'll have to wait till tomorrow. I have to put the poly on, and then I can put the legs on there tomorrow probably, after that dries. But I'm really excited to show you guys. It's a very successful Target trip. Both the girls fell asleep, and only thing is, they just got into my coffee while I was gone. You get thirsty? Alright, so I'll give you guys a little haul while the girls are being good. Skylar's still asleep. But Scarlett, she's awake now. But I grabbed a few of these Alani New. I love these for a good energy drink. I got the watermelon wave Hawaiian shaved ice. And 2 other ones. Tropicicle, this one is my absolute favorite. So I grabbed 2 of those. And then I just grabbed my favorite dry shampoo. This Dove one is amazing. I actually need some right now. I'm not gonna spray it in the car. And then I grabbed this shirt because it was on sale for $9. So I just got an oversized t-shirt to wear like with leggings or biker shorts. I grabbed the girls some stuff for their Easter baskets. I got some bowls and plates, and I'll probably just put like 1 in each girl's basket. So that was it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and head home now since Skylar's asleep. I don't wanna like have to try to take her into another store. So we're just gonna head home and I'll go to Once Upon a Child another day. Get her, Daisy. Get her. Get her. Let her lick her face. Just hold her right there and let her lick her. Get her.
She loves that.
Is she cute? I just got home. I stopped and grabbed Chick-fil-A. I got a deluxe chicken sandwich wrapped in lettuce so I don't have to have the bread. Yeah. Here you go. So I'm gonna do our grocery list. Tyler's family's gonna be here Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on our grocery list. Skylar's doing these little letter things. I'll show you guys. It's like a little mat and it has this little finder thing and she can put it, show them what you do. Put it on there.
Watch it.
Stop sign.
And it tells you what the thing is. So it said stop sign and then
Fire truck.
and it'll do like little things.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
You guys are always asking me for like little snack ideas. This is really good. These are cauliflower wings. I'll leave the recipe down below for you guys to check out. Okay, I just finished ordering our groceries. I did Instacart, so they should be here within 2 hours. I'm gonna go get Scarlett down for a nap. Tyler's home. He's gonna make her bottle. We're gonna change this dirty girl's outfit. Look how tired you are.
Hey, what are you doing, guys?
I'm gonna change her and get her down for a nap and That balloon has been up there since Valentine's Day.
Come here.
She's so tired.
She's like, yeah, no kisses.
Tyler is gonna put her down for her nap, and I'm gonna try to get some cleaning done since his family will be here in 2 days. Our room is a disaster, and I just need to like pick up the kitchen, living room, and things like that. So I'm gonna give you guys a little cleaning montage. Alexa, play Top Country.
The station Top Country on Amazon Music.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence, until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh. Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame.
I placed our order from Aldi's, and it already got here. It only took them like 1 hour for me from the time I placed the order to the time they brought it. So that was on Instacart. This is only my second time doing it, but what was in here? Did you get this out already?
Yeah.
Oh. I'll show you guys what I got once I get everything out of the bags. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what we got really quickly. Some strawberries, eggs, some skim milk. What are these? Cinnamon Swiss rolls. Skylar wanted like a little treat, and I looked for zebra cakes, but they didn't have any. And Tyler, yeah. So I got some of those. Just got a bunch of cereal because Tyler's family, they love cereal, and Tyler does too. So I got 2 boxes of Honey Crunch and Oats, and what is this? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Some frozen pancakes. I didn't know Aldi's had these, and they're cheaper than the ones I normally get at Walmart. Some cauliflower rice. I think I'm gonna do a meal with these, but I can't remember what it was. I think it was shrimp bowls. Yeah, I was gonna do shrimp and rice with like corn and beans. So I grabbed some shrimp, some sweet potatoes. We haven't had sweet potatoes in forever, so I was like, I'm gonna grab some sweet potatoes. The only thing about these and like how I'm trying to eat low carb, these have 23 grams of carbs in them, but sweet potatoes are still really good for you, so I make an exception for these. Some chicken nuggets, 2 pizzas. I got a pepperoni pizza. Oh, I guess they were out of stock. I grabbed a sausage one too, but 2 pepperoni pizzas just for like a quick, easy dinner for when they're here. Some peppers, bread, celery, carrots, cauliflower. I'm gonna make those cauliflower wings I showed you guys. Some lettuce, so we can like wrap, I'm gonna do turkey burgers. I'm gonna wrap my turkey burger in the lettuce. And then some chips, goldfish, can of corn, can of beans, seasoning, some ground turkey. I got 2 things of those. These are so cheap from Aldi. The yogurt bites. I got strawberry ones and a thing of hummus. Some whipped cream cheese. I always pair these 2 together. It's so good. And then put some everything but the bagel seasoning on top. And then these little triangles, the triangular cheese. They're basically like the Laughing Cow cheese, but a generic version of them. So that is everything. I'm gonna go ahead and put these away really quickly. Okay, I got some cleaning done and we're getting ready to go on a little family walk. I put on my new shirt that I just got today and I really like it. Say hi. Did you have a good nap? I don't think she took like a long nap. I think she was just in there for most of her nap, just like sitting there. So I think she's gonna fall asleep on our walk. Scarlett! Hey! It's getting so big. Every time I put her in this, I'm like, how the heck is she already in these?
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style. The way your body keeps my heart beat sound.
Come on. What? Okay, get it. Bring it in the house. Done? So we got back from our walk and we had a package. It's the legs for our table. I think I told you guys we were building our own table. Here, you want this piece? Oh, you want that one? Okay. Oh, I'm excited. Daddy's excited. You are? Oh, they're in another box. This is like when you get a Christmas gift and it's like in another box, another box, another box. And you get to the bottom, it's just a gift card.
You only ordered 2?
I ordered 4.
There's only 2 in here.
Shut up.
I'm just kidding.
Looks nice.
Oh yeah.
I like them. I am in the car now. I'm getting ready to go to Walmart and grab some like household things because I told you guys our family's coming in town and we need just like laundry detergent and cleaning stuff, just some household things for them when they get here. So I'm gonna go grab that and then I'm gonna go to my friend Ashley's house because the table that we're building, we got chairs for it, but they're not expected to be here until after our family is gone. So she's letting us borrow some chairs, so I'm gonna swing by and grab those. I don't have the kids with me. Tyler is gonna put them to bed, and then I'm probably gonna go to Once Upon a Child too and see if I can find Scarlett some things because she is just like growing so fast. All of a sudden she's hit this growth spurt, so she needs some clothes. So I'm gonna do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up just so I'm like not thinking about vlogging or anything while I'm out. Hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history.